Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel GK Study with Akanksha. Question number 1. Which state government has approved Logistic Policy 2024 to create 5 lakh job opportunity? A. Karnataka, B. Assam, C. Maharashtra, D. Uttar Pradesh. Correct answer is C. Question number 2. Which ministry recently released the Flood Watch India 2.0 app developed by the Central Water Commission? A. Ministry of Rural Development, B. Ministry of Agriculture, C. Ministry of Jal Shakti, D. Ministry of Urban Development. Correct answer is C. Question number 3. What is the Krishi Decision Support System? A. Mobile app for crop sales, B. New fertilizer distribution system, C. Unique digital geospatial platform for Indian agriculture, D. Online marketplace for agricultural equipment. Correct answer is C. Question number 4. India has initiated its first comprehensive survey of high-risk glacier lake in which state? A. Arunachal Pradesh, B. Assam, C. Uttarakhand, D. Himachal Pradesh. Correct answer is A. Question number 5. South Indian Adivasi Knowledge Central called KANU was launched in which state? A. Kerala, B. Karnataka, C. Tamil Nadu, D. Telangana. Correct answer is B. Question number 6. The government of Uttar Pradesh has inaugurated the state's first semiconductor park in which city? A. Lucknow, B. Kanpur, C. Noida, D. Varanasi. Correct answer is C. Question number 7. How many new greenfield industrial smart cities have been approved under the National Industrial Corridor Development Program? A. 10, B. 11, C. 12, D. 15. Correct answer is C. Question number 8. Which ministry launched Yuva Sangam portal? A. Ministry of Defense, B. Ministry of Education, C. Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, D. Ministry of Women and Child Development. Correct answer is B. Question number 9. PM Shri Yojana, which was recently implemented in Delhi, is associated with which field? A. Education, B. Health, C. Sports, D. Journalism. Correct answer is A. Question number 10. Which state has become the first state in India to adopt an airshed based approach for clean air project? A. Bihar, B. Jharkhand, C. Haryana, D. Uttar Pradesh. Correct answer is D. Question number 11. Which city has become home to India's first night safari? A. Agra, B. Lucknow, C. Jaisalmer, D. Indore. Correct answer is B. Question number 12. The Chechu tribe is primarily found in which region? A. Chota Nagpur Plateau, B. Nalamalai Forest, C. Himalayas, D. Aravalli Hills. Correct answer is B. Question number 13. Panchayat Advancement Index 2.0 is a multi-dimensional assessment framework developed by which ministry? A. Ministry of Rural Development, B. Ministry of Agriculture, C. Ministry of Panchayati Raj, D. Ministry of Finance. Correct answer is C. Question number 14. Kumbhakonam betel leaf, which was recently granted a geographical indication tag, is cultivated in which state? A. Maharashtra, B. Telangana, C. Odisha, D. Tamil Nadu. Correct answer is D. Question number 15. Which ministry has launched Swachh Survekshan Gramin 2025, India's largest rural sanitation survey? A. Ministry of Rural Development, B. Ministry of Panchayati Raj, C. Ministry of Agriculture, D. Ministry of Jal Shakti. Correct answer is D. Question number 16. Where was the statue of Bodo leader Bodofa Upendranath Brahm unev- unveiled in May 2025? A. Assam, B. New Delhi, C. Arunachal Pradesh, D. Manipur. Correct answer is B. Question number 17. Which state has secured the first position in implementing the Pradhan Mantri Formalization of Micro Food Processing Enterprises scheme? A. Madhya Pradesh, B. Bihar, C. Jharkhand, D. Andhra Pradesh. Correct answer is B. Question number 18. What is the name of the operation conducted by Indian Army in Jammu and Kashmir on May 13, 2025 to neutralize terrorists of Lashkar-e-Taiba? A. Operation Killer, B. Operation Vijay, C. Operation Vinash, D. Operation Shurya. Correct answer is A. Question number 19. What is the name of the campaign launched by the Ministry of Culture to honor the brave hearts of India? A. Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat, B. Jai Hind Abhiyan, C. Ek Desh Ek Dhadkan, D. Desh Ka Rang. Correct answer is C. Question number 20. National Center for Polar and Ocean Research functions under which ministry? A. Ministry of Science and Technology, B. Ministry of Earth Science, C. Ministry of Education, D. Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. Correct answer is B. Question number 21. What is the name of the campaign launched to empower farmers by accelerating agricultural transformation in India? A. Viksit Krishi Sankalp Abhiyan, B. Krishi Vikas Mission, C. Anandita Empowerment Program, D. None of the above. Correct answer is A. Question number 22. Nabinagar Super Thermal Power Project is located in which state? A. Bihar, B. Uttar Pradesh, C. Madhya Pradesh, D. Gujarat. Correct answer is A. Question number 23. Which state/UT is home to India's first e-waste recycling eco park? A. Delhi, B. Uttarakhand, C. Ladakh, D. Himachal Pradesh. Correct answer is A. Question number 24. Which city has been selected as the national host for the 11th International Day of Yoga? A. Indore, B. Visakhapatnam, C. Chennai, D. Kochi. Correct answer is B. Question number 25. What is the name of operation launched by Indian Army to ensure safe conduct of the Amarnath Yatra in 2025? A. Operation Rakshak, B. Operation Shiva, C. Operation Surya, D. Operation Kiran. Correct answer is B. That's all for today. Thank you.